Today I'm going to be reviewing a new product which is coming out on July 8th of 2019. This product is called Animaze, and what it is a brand new groundbreaking video technology that really is unlike anything else you've seen in the marketplace. This technology is really amazing. It will easily create stunning videos with 3D talking characters. They are built from your pictures. They are customized, have customizable scenes. They have animations, text-to-speech, voiceovers, and real-time lip syncing, and much more. This is 100% custom videos which are built to sell, and you can create them easier, faster, and more effectively than any other template-based software to create videos. You can take a look at this video right below here, which will explain the software and actually show you the software in action. But it makes no difference whether you're promoting an offer or building an email list or a brand. Nobody can sell your message the way you can sell your message. And the best way to sell is face-to-face. But today, you can use video in place of face-to-face selling. And instead of selling to one person at a time, you can literally sell to thousands of people at a time. But it doesn't mean you have to be on camera. In fact, that really is what trips up about 98% of marketers who have fear of showing their face on camera. But it's essential that you avoid the same rehashed video characters that everybody else is using. You need to stand out to make yourself unique and to catch people's attention. And you can't do that by using the same stuff that everybody else and his brother is using. But now, you can imagine you're going to have walking, talking, custom 3D video characters which are built from your very own profile pictures. And they'll do all the selling for you. And they'll share your personalized message. And because these are your profile pictures, they are not going to be the same rehashed material that everybody else has. And this software comes with commercial rights. During the launch period, the commercial rights are thrown in with the purchase price of this software, which means you can create custom animated videos and you can sell them to unlimited clients. And I would invite you to go to Fiverr like I did and take a look and see what people are charging for animated explainer videos. I found one a little while ago where you could get a real nice 60-second animated video for only $8,500. But there are many, many people charging $400 and $500 and $600 to do these videos. And now you have the ability to do them, but your videos will be a lot more eye-catching and unique than anybody else's video that is selling in the same marketplace. You can now effortlessly make videos that attract viewers like moths to fire because people love animated videos. They grab attention better than anything else, and they maximize engagement and sales. And when you sell these videos as your own, if that's what you want to do, you get to keep 100% of the profit, and you can sell to an unlimited market. You can do all this without having to be on camera. You do not have to pay outsourcers, spokespeople, or copywriters, which will cost you hundreds, potentially even thousands, to create a video. And you won't have to learn a thing about video creation. Video creation requires a lot of technical know-how if you want to create a video from scratch. And now you can do that, and you do not need to have any technical knowledge. And you can now create 100% original video characters built from your profile photos, from cartoon images, or from anything that you choose or any of your clients choose. And you can do this in really 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is just select a pre-existing avatar, which is provided with the software, or you can upload your own images. Then step 2 would be just to fully customize your character, and you can customize a character from one of your pictures in numerous different ways with this software. And you create the scenes, create the speech. It's all text-to-speech. There's all lip syncing. So your characters are speaking and their lips are moving the same time that they're supposed to be, that the people are hearing what they've got to say. And step 3 is you're done. Just put it in the software and you're done. So here are the key benefits you get with this software, Animaze. Number one is you can build you can use multiple built-in conversion technologies. This stuff will work on almost any type of device that you have. It's 100% customizable. The scenes can be shown from different multiple angles, camera angles. You have different character positioning, and you can make the characters look different too. You have industry-leading animation. You have industry-leading text-to-speech and voiceovers, and this wonderful lip-syncing technology. You also have customizable calls to action. The front end of the software comes with the following things included. You've got 14 3D avatars for really quick video creation if you want to use their avatars. You have 10 unique scenes which are interchangeable and stackable so that you can tell your story in the way you want it told. You have 5 background music tracks to set the perfect mood. You have 5 audio effects which help boost engagement and increase clicks. And you have HD quality. You can download an HD qualify, and you've got the full commercial rights. But remember, the commercial rights are included in this package only during the launch. After the launch, they will be sold separately, and they won't be very cheap because you can make a lot of money using this type of software. So this product has a front end, and it has 3 upsells. Now, the front end product, Animaze, is the product that I just described to you with all the things that I just told you come with the product. And that's a one-time cost during the launch of $47. Now, the price will be increasing gradually throughout the launch. But if you get in right away, you can get it for $47, and that's a one-time cost. Upsell number 1 is the Animaze Pro version. And with this version, with this upgrade, you can unlock many, many more additional scenes, characters, and more audios, and you can get more. You can also get premium support with this upgrade, and that's $67 one time only. Upsell number 2 is the Animaze Agency. You will get a done-for-you website that you can use to run an agency. It's all designed with all the bells and whistles that you need to run an agency. And I will tell you that if you want to build a side business using this and selling it, you can make a lot of money. And then upsell number 3 is the Animaze Templates Club. And here you've got 2 choices. You can join the club and pay $37 a month, or the better deal by far is a $97 lifetime deal, and that deal will be going up after the launch. But during the launch, you can get it. You can get into the Template Club for $97. And the upgrade includes 50 high-quality done-for-you templates, which you get instantly upon purchase. And then from that point on, you'll receive 15 fresh templates every single month. So if you want to order that product, the Animaze product, you can click on this link right here, on this button right here on my review page. But you are also going to get numerous, and I mean numerous, fast action exclusive bonuses when you purchase through my link. The first one is the Social Video Gamer. Now this is great for engagement. You want to get people engaged. This thing has all sorts of video puzzles. People love that kind of stuff, and they get engaged and they stay with you, and you can sell them because you've got engaged people watching your videos. Bonus number 2 is Tubelytics. This is an all-in-one suite of all sorts of different tools that you can use to analyze videos, both your videos, your channel, also other videos and other channels. And bonus number 3 is called Vid Survey. And this will allow you to take surveys, which is a terrific way to find out what your audience wants. You can ask them what they want. You find out exactly what they want, and then you give them that exact thing. That's a winning formula. Bonus number 4 is Vid Sticky. This is a very powerful, and it's a sticky, responsive video and audio player that can be added at the top and the bottom of any page in a fixed position, and you can watch your videos or audios on it. Vid Builder is a video sales page funnel builder. This is a terrific tool. This is a word page plugin which allows you to build video sales pages and create video sales funnels. Now, sales funnels are very, very important because people normally don't buy the first time they see a product. They need to be seen. It needs to be seen several times. And you do that by using funnel builders. And this thing will allow you to build video funnels. It's a terrific piece of software, and you get it through as a bonus through purchasing through my link. This is the press play. This is the ultimate video player. You can use this to play videos from wherever, YouTube, Vimeo, wherever, in the MP4 or the MP3 format, up to you, whatever you want. Now you have the YouTube extractor. This will allow you to pull videos from any channel, any video, and add it to your database, and you can analyze these videos. And if you can find a viral video, you can analyze it to see exactly what made it be a successful video, and you can mimic the same thing on your own videos. Bonus number 8 is a vid background. This is a background creator, a video background creator, and it's a great tool because now you'll have backgrounds. In addition to unique videos, you'll also have unique backgrounds which will make your videos stand out like nobody else's do. The vid commenter is also a really smart tool. This tool will automate and allow you to comment on videos and other channels. It's a great way to pick up subscribers because you comment on other people's videos. If you leave good comments, people will see your channel and will come and click on your channel and take a look at it. It's a terrific way to pick up additional viewers and subscribers with this software. And then vid capture, which is bonus number 10, is a tool for capturing leads. If you want to build yourself an email list, and that's going to be a very, very important part of your business long term, because you can sell on your email list way into the future to the same people over and over again. This software will allow you to capture opt-ins. You can insert this software in your videos and you can capture opt-ins. Now I have some additional bonuses. These bonuses are exclusive only to people who purchase through my link. They're my bonuses. You will not find them anywhere else. Bonus number 1 is an advanced keyword research tutorial. It's a 5-step blueprint. Will show you how to research keywords. The best keywords to find are the keywords that have high volume but low competition. These are very, very valuable keywords. And you have to know how to find those keywords. There's an art and a science to it. But if you find the right keywords, in addition to coupling it with this Animaze software, you will be able to rank your videos very, very high and very, very quickly. This tutorial will show you the best way to do keyword research so you get the very best keywords. Bonus number 2 is how to make $3,000 a week on YouTube for free with ClickBank. Now, YouTube videos are free, and YouTube is growing like wildfire, and you can use it for affiliate products. You can sell somebody else's product by using an affiliate link, and you can earn a commission from doing that. Now, again, you're going to have these videos that you can create through Animaze that are going to be very eye-catching, very enticing to your audience. And this tutorial will show you how to use ClickBank products, and ClickBank is free to sign up for, and market those products on your YouTube videos and earn up to $3,000 a month passively. Bonus number 3 is how I made $250,000 with PowerPoint YouTube videos. This is a case study from an individual who actually made $250,000, and all he did was create PowerPoint videos. But again, if you take something like this training and this tutorial and you couple that with a product like Animaze, you're going to be way, way ahead of your competition, and it will enable you to make a lot of money just with simple PowerPoint videos and this software. And then bonus number 4 is 5 ways to make money on YouTube with a small channel. Now, you may think that the only way you're going to make money on YouTube is by having hundreds of thousands of subscribers in your channel, and that's simply not true. You can make money with a small channel, but you have to know how to do that. And this tutorial, prepared by somebody who is a very successful YouTube marketer, will show you 5 different ways to make money on YouTube, even if you have a small channel. So once again, if you'd like to get Animate, you can click on any of these buttons on the review page. The software comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. What that means is you can take this software, you can use it to your heart's content for 30 full days. You can make as many videos as you want, test it out, and see how it works. If you are not 100% happy with it, you can get your money back anytime up to 30 days, no questions asked. All you got to do is send support an email ticket saying, please give me a refund. So you have absolutely no risk and you have everything to gain. So if you'd like to get the software, you can click on the links in the description below this video. If you'd like to get the Animaze software and my exclusive bonuses, which I just showed to you, you can click on this link, which will appear in the description again below the video. And if you'd like to see my complete review page and my complete review, you can click on this link, which will also appear in the description below my video. So you get your hands on that Animaze software and you can begin creating your own videos and making some money. And then you can also create a very lucrative business by creating videos and selling them to the public. Best of luck to you.